I like big heels and I cannot lie. I like big heels and I cannot lie. What's going on here?
It's time for Boot of the Week.
Oh shoot, it's Sunday. It's time for Boot of the Week.
This is the Howard boot. I think it really speaks for itself. This is a 6-inch padded collar, single piece backstay heel counter, 55 last, honey vibram sole. This boot is probably one of the most versatile boots that we make. This is 100% a work boot, and it's 100% whatever you want to do in it boot. It looks great for all occasions, and you could beat the tar out of this thing. This is 7 to 8 ounce distressed tan. I mean, you're not going to break this boot, and it looks good for whatever occasion you want. I found another boot of the week. So this is a true BBB, big bonus boot of the week. We're going on 1 year with our Tanker Pro. And honestly, when we launched it, we were like, what are we doing? Is this the right move? Are these going to be popular? And we crushed it. This is our first boot. I mean, everybody admires the original Tanker style silhouette. And we were like, well, we're not selling boots to the military per se, but gosh, straps, it's a Builder Pro with straps. And we've sold a ton of these, and the feedback is absolutely incredible. People are like, probably more comfortable maybe than some of our lace-up boots. Easy to get in, easy to get out. Puts a bit less pressure on your instep. And so we're just cranking these out, and people love them. This is 10-inch, again, distressed tan, 7 to 8 ounce, rough out. 2-buckle system, 10-inch, honey vibram sole on this guy, probably for a little bit more cushion. This boot is on its way to Daniel in Georgia, who I think is going to be pumped to have it. So, thanks for watching, guys. Both of these boots are going to be in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more Boot of the Weeks. Do you want me to do like a Boot of the Week thing? Like this, hey guys, Grant with Nick's Handmade Boots. And like pull it in?